All right, traders, today is November 11th, 2023. We're going to do the BYOB Market Wrap Up. Let's go take a look at some charts. So here's a chart of SPY, and we'll look at that on the daily. So SPY putting in a lower high and a lower low. Lower high and a lower low. So kind of pulling back here or resting. Another fat doji day for SPY on the daily. So let's take a look at still in an uptrend. If we back out, you can see we got higher highs, no higher lows yet. Just a doji, double doji day, doubled a doji yesterday, and another pause the day before. So that's all we're dealing with. SPY still in an uptrend. Let's take a look at QQQ. I don't think that's going to be any different. QQQ, lower high, lower low. Again, dealing with this prior high that we had right up here earlier in the year. So QQQ dealing with the prior high. Still in an uptrend. Got a lower high and a lower low on the daily candle. Let's take a look at FNGU. I don't think that's any different either. FNGU putting in a lower high and a lower low. Still in an uptrend. It has higher highs. So FNGU doing the same thing. Let's take a look at Diamond Dow. So here's Diamond Dow putting in a lower high and a lower low. Lower high, well, an equal high and a lower low on the Diamond Dow. So there's diamonds in an uptrend making higher highs. Still on the daily chart, still in an uptrend. IWM putting in a lower high and a lower low. IWM in a daily uptrend making higher highs. Let's take a look at our indicators. Fell out of the overbought zone, now in the chop zone here for the day, T2122. So just chop. It's been nothing but chop all day. T2122, T2123, red green, green red, and then back to green. No price is not running away from the trend indicator, so just kind of flat. Nothing's really happening here. T2123, 3 bars still flat. Trend indicators catching up to the price action right there. FNGU indicator, and we got red green, nothing but slop and chop right there for FNGU. Let's go back over here. Let's hit the silver. So silver still in the consolidation channel here. Just kind of hanging out at the 2150 area. Still stuck in the middle of the consolidation. Finally producing a higher high on silver. So silver now hits uptrend status. Gold now hits, is still in uptrend status on the daily chart, making higher highs. Gold in an uptrend with a higher low and a higher high. Now going back to tackle prior highs. So there's GLD, USO. In a downtrend with lower highs and lower lows. USO, downtrend. That's crude oil, UNG. Nat gas, lower highs and lower lows again. So UNG in a downtrend, making lower highs and lower lows. Let's take a look at SMH. There's our semiconductors, challenging the recent high that we had yesterday. So there's semiconductors at all-time highs, I believe, right up there. Today's candle making a higher low and a equal high. So SMH. Let's take a look at IYT. IYT making a higher high up here, so in a daily uptrend, but still stuck in this right underneath resistance right there. So IYT in a daily uptrend, but not very strong if you ask me. Okay, XLF. XLF in a daily uptrend, making higher highs up here. And you can see we got the downtrend line. We'll see if they can make higher lows over this backside of this downtrend line. So XLF in an uptrend. And I did SMH and we did IYT. So that's it. Let's take a look at the markets, and we'll take a look at, here is the US dollar index. US dollar index having a pullback to minor support right here. You can see we got a rising 200 SMA coming up to it. So we'll see what happens there. So that's it for today, traders. Today we traded SPY. We traded 450 puts on the 10-minute chart, and we entered right under here, and we traded them down to there, and we reloaded right around here, 449.50. So I still have those puts waiting for tomorrow's breakdown. All right, so there's SPY on the 10-minute. Nice trade for everyone that took it all the way into this doji candle right there. That's it today, traders. Hope you all have a wonderful evening. See you tomorrow at 8 o'clock in the morning.